Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Colleen and this is Pixie Sparkles. That's Pixie. Today we have an unboxing we're going to do, and this is just your generic box from Forever Young. So let's open it and see what's in it. Cute, cute. We have stickers, right? Yeah, okay. Thank you for choosing us. And then, uh-oh, it must be on the bag of drills. I don't see it on here. Oh, there it is. It fell off, so we'll just stick that. In that little spot, and I'll want to kit this up right away now because of the sticker. So it has 70 colors. And this one is called Seaside Escape, and it's not on the box either. And I don't know the name of the artist. It's just created by, I guess, in-house. Oh, I did get 3 Forever Young toolkits, which, well, thank you. These are the smaller ones. I'll just open it. The smaller tray, which they're sometimes helpful. You have your 4 pads of wax, your pen with a 4 and 6 placer, and a squishy, and that to go around your pen for comfort. Okay. I don't normally show toolkits, but I felt it was appropriate in this case because this is my first and only canvas by Forever Young. Now, I have purchased other products of theirs, and I did get the months of the year back in 2025, but there was an issue with the glue, and I believe they've corrected the issue. So I wanted to get this little canvas to see how the glue is. And I'm not going to touch it right now. Not that I'm opposed to touching, I'm not. It's just I need to really place some drills on it to see how well the glue is on the canvas. These are the drills. They appear to be resin. No dimples on the back. Individually bagged. So there's Forever Young, and I'm pretty sure it's Seaside. I'll put a picture in so that you all know, because it is, I checked it yesterday and it is back in stock again. So you can get this now, and I'll link it down below. Oh, and the canvas is nice and soft. It's very heavy with the scalloped edges, and it's a soft backing. So it's a nice canvas. It feels nice. And it is 45 by 60. I forgot to tell you. We have 2 boxes from Oraloa that I am going to unbox. First, we're going to start with a small one. Nice sturdy box. Gives you instructions on how to diamond paint. Oh, there was the picture. So this one I purchased because I thought it was cute. And I also like to support the cause. I'll just put it that way. Let's see what else is in the box. We have a thank you note here and instructions. So tips and tricks, a thank you, and instructions on how to diamond paint and their website. It has a nice I'm going to take everything out of the bag and I'll be right back. This is The Enchanted Chromosome by Maria Chetkareva. And you can see it's 55.6 by 75 centimeters or 21.89 by 29.53 inches. And it has 79 colors with 10 special drills. And I just thought that it was adorable. Here's the tool kit that came with it. I'm not even sure what's in here. Let's see. It has a lot of stuff in here. We have a tweezers, a squishy for our pen, washi tape with Oraloa's name on it, wax. You get 3 pads of wax, the tray, a pen with a 4-placer or 3-placer. Can't tell what that is. And these also come with these cards, these cute little cards that you can collect. And stickers. How cute. I haven't had those come out before. And there's like a, I don't know, is that a 7 or 8 placer? Put these back in here. And then, of course, the drills. All individually bagged. And I did not realize how big it was. They're always bigger than I think they are. We have a lot of color blocking back here, but that's okay by me. Let's zoom in and take a closer look. The symbols are easy to read. Nice sturdy canvas. I'm not going to go over all the drills. The special drills, I'm not going to worry about doing all that, but let's see if I can get this canvas in so you can see all of it. But I thought it was cute. We have the ribbon here to represent Down syndrome. She's coloring. She has her teddy bear, her books, her artwork behind her, and paints, blocks, and the teddy bear. I just thought it was colorful and cute, and I wanted to try this artist, and this was one that I chose. Okay, let's get to the second one. Okay, so here's the second box, the larger one. And I did want to show you all because I didn't show you in the other video, but these do have a sticker on them. So I put it back in the box and I'm going to store it in there for now. I'm going to open this one and I'm not going to go through everything in the toolkit like I did last time. So I'll open it and I'll be right back. Okay, this one is A Ride Through Wonderland by Maria Chetkareva, 75 by 68 centimeters or 29.53 by 26.77 inches. And it has 86 colors with 10 special drills, again, like the last one. And these are the drills. It came with 2 packs. Very colorful. I really like all the colors and how bright this is. And it's not, sorry I hit the camera, it's not as big as I thought it was going to be. Like, I don't know why, but I didn't expect the other one to be as big as it was either. But I think this one will be fun. We have her on the girl on the carousel. That's all I have for now. I hope you all have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.